Another bright, another June, another sunny honeymoon, another reason, another season for making whoopee. A lot of shoes, a lot of rice. The groom is nervous, he answered twice. It's really killing that he's so willing to make whoopee. Picture the little loveliness down where the roses clear. Picture the same sweet loveliness, think that a year can bring. He's washing dishes and maybe clothes. He's so ambitious, he even saw. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee. Another year, or maybe less. What's this I hear? Well, can't you guess? She feels neglected, and he's suspected of making whoopee. She sits alone most every night. He doesn't phone her, he doesn't write. He says he's busy, and she says he's here. He's making whoopee. He doesn't make much money, only 5,000 pounds. Some judge who thinks he's funny says you'll pay 6 to her. He says, no, judge, suppose I fell. The judge says, right into jail. You better keep her. I think it's cheaper than making whoopee. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get, folks, for making whoopee.